Welcome to Race Story Time!
Hey guys, it's race day time. Today I'm going to show you some farm animals. Let's see what animals are inside the barn. Let's open it. Here's a donkey and it's looking for food. Here it is. Enjoy! We also have some sheep. Let's put them right here. Here are some goats. Don't forget the kid. Here's your mom. Now let's put them in the pasture. And give them some grass. Let's not forget the sheep. Here's a gray cat. She looks happy. Here's a Hereford cow and a Holstein cow. Let's put the cows in the pasture. Now I'm going to get some hay on the loft for the cows to eat. Here's a turkey. We also have horses. Here's a Tennessee Walker mare and a Morgan mare. Oh, there's one more goat. And here's a puppy. You want to play with a cat. Next, let's open the small barn. Ooh, we have chickens. Here's a rooster. And some hens. Now I'm going to feed them corn. The turkey wants to join them. Ooh, I see a morpho butterfly, and a swallowtail butterfly. And we also have dragonfly, a bee, a ladybug, a grasshopper, a frog, a praying mantis, and a caterpillar. Okay, well, if you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which animal is your favorite in this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Race Daytime channel and also click that bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. And before you go, click on those videos on the screen to watch more fun videos here in the Race Daytime channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.